Hi guys, in this video I'll talk about the way to deploy a Node.js app to the Heroku cloud platform. Let's begin. The first thing we need to do is to create a Heroku account. Go into heroku.com, click on the sign up button and fill up all required information. Remember to choose Node.js is the primary language for quick start. Because I have already had a Heroku account, I will skip this step. Next, we need to install the Heroku CLI. The Heroku CLI requires Git. If you don't already have Git installed, download and install Git before installing the CLI. Depending on your OS, you should choose which one is the best for you. I also have installed the CLI, so I will skip this step as well. Then we log in to the Heroku website. In the dashboard, create a new app. Come back to our Node.js project. We need to create a profile. The profile is the guide to Heroku knows how to run our app. For me, it is node.rc/server.js. After that, we need to log in to the Heroku CLI because it will allow us to push code to Heroku. Heroku login. Press any key to open up the browser. Git add all files. Git commit. We also need to set the Git remote to Heroku. If you use any developer dependencies like bubble packages, by default, Heroku will not install them. So with the purpose of a demo production, you can set all config production to false to install all packages in developer dependencies. Instead of git push origin master, we change a little bit. Git push Heroku master. Wait a few minutes for Heroku building our app. That's it. These are all the steps to deploy a Node.js app to Heroku. If you encounter any error during deploying, check out this video. Good luck!